Good afternoon, traders. What's going on, guys? How you guys feeling today? Sorry for the late start, guys. Really have no excuse for it, but just keep me in your prayers, guys. That's all I can say. Hopefully you guys are all doing well. Sorry if I let anybody down this morning here. I don't know if you guys are waiting for my good morning cheer, but you guys sound like you guys are doing all right. How you doing, Mo? Good morning. No skills. Sam B. Hermana. Good morning, everyone. Winkesla. Sovereignty. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning, guys. Good morning. Hopefully you guys are all feeling well today. Let's go ahead and get some of this music going here. Get some music, get some vibes going. All right. So what's the market doing here? Looks like the market wants to try to come back above. Come back above here. The VWAP. What's going on, man? What's going on? Thank you, Zenzen. Appreciate that. Peter, good morning. Thanasis, good morning. Good morning. All right, so looks like we're chopping here for a bit. Looks like we're chopping, man. Let me see if I can find something here to trade today. Kind of hurting here a little bit. Trying to get that third eval going. I mean the third master account going. All right, so let's check this out. Oh yeah, so let's look at our bigger charts. I did some charting this morning before the open. Looks like we do have still our all-time high up here at 23,104. We got the overnight high here at 22,972. Overnight low sitting at 22,806, and yesterday's low here at 22,780. We got a cluster right now. We're kind of in that cluster right now between the 21. The VWAP and the 100 period, I think. Let's go ahead and take a closer look here. Yeah, everything looks like it's bunched up right now, so be very careful on your trades. We got everything bunched up in here. Yeah, everything's kind of squirming right now in between all this. Right now at the moment, I'm gonna stay flat. I'm leaning more towards shorts just because we are breaking through. You know, we are kind of having a steep decline here. The 100 might keep going that way. Obviously, the VWAP will probably keep going this way. And we may have sellers squeaking out here a victory down to possibly the next stop here at the daily open at 22,840. We'll see. Yeah, things are kind of bearish, man. Things are kind of bearish. Let me check some of your chats out here. Does Tradeday Platform X allow you to use TradingView? Looking to get 50K accounts today and pick up my TradingView as well. Well, this is the thing. You have to pick TradingView. You have to pick TradingView. It gives you the option to pick TradingView or Tradeday or anything else like that. You gotta specifically pick TradingView, okay? You're just getting started. It's cool, man. Thank you guys. I really appreciate you guys being here. What's going on, Protector? Good morning to you. All right, let's see. We're getting some buyers stepping in right now, trying to push this market up a bit here. Like I said, this is a very indecisive area right now, so be careful with any trades you might be putting on. Captain got stopped down the YM. What are these other indices doing here? Looks like we got taken out of our Bitcoin short at break even. Bitcoin market's kind of pumping right now. Yeah, market's kind of pumping. The other indices are kind of showing their strength right now. Looks like we've got the Dow, the S&P, and the Russell all looking a lot stronger than NQ. So NQ could possibly be putting in a pop here soon. You stopped out for 0? Okay, that's not bad. What's up, Nilesh? How do you check your unrealized gains in Apex that follow your trailing drawdown? I have a 50K I'm trying to pass, but the trailing drawdown is killing me. How to keep track of that? It should show you right at the top of your. It should show you right at the top of your dashboard on Tradeday, have you ever taken a trade before? Because normally it does. Did you ever try that, Nylash? You ever try taking a trade and looking at your dashboard at the top? It should show you right there. So you haven't seen it? Good morning, Jose. Good morning, brother. Market looking like it wants to pump here. Oh, one more tumble to the downside I see here. Hey, Nylesh, I'm going to put the ChatGPT explanation right here, the Grok explanation. Just click on it and you'll get the explanation on how to do it. What's going on, Jose? Just lost my account, says Jose. I'm sorry to hear that, brother. Anxiety 1. Oh, yeah, man. Yeah, it's one of those mornings. So I'm looking at the profit trade, which is all day profit, correct? And then the minus of 2,600. This is the thing, your drawdown is calculated on unrealized as well. So if you had a trade that ran up $1,000 and you let it come back to zero, then that $1,000 gets deducted from your drawdown too. That's why Apex is a very tricky one. But he wants to see it on Tradeday, so I just showed him, right? I just gave him the instructions how to get it on Tradeday. What's up, Johnny? All right, looks like now she is possibly coming back up higher. Let's go ahead and take a look here at this price action. This is crazy this morning. Yeah, this is crazy. Looks like she may want to pop up here just a bit. I'm not sure if I trust it yet though. Sorry guys, I'm just trying to get my bearings here. Let's see what direction this NQ may want to be headed up to. Yeah, I'm still staying out of the market. I don't see any confirmations being set yet. I'm just gonna chill here for a sec. J-Ray feels good about today. I haven't failed yet, but it really tried me last night, says one Kessler's. Does anyone know if win the 40% on TPT? If I fail a new eval, left it renew next month. Yeah, you're gonna still get the 40% off next month. It's still gonna be the same price, one Kessler's. things are coming back down. Gold gave it up this morning, huh? Gold seems to have given it up. Yeah, she's looking really heavy. Yeah, gold looks like it's going to keep going. Big question now is, does she want to continue higher, or is she going to tumble back down? That is the question here. So far, at the moment, I'm still not convinced that she wants to go higher. I still see a lot of heaviness in the market. I'm going to stay flat here. Obviously, all these indices, all the moving averages are kind of getting stuck here. The VWAP and the 21. I'm not seeing much right now. Looks like the YM is giving it up back under the VWAP. Yeah, this is gonna be a chop session here, guys. Just be patient. It's gonna be choppy. Already bought the dip today. Took some profit. Good job, J Ray. Yeah, I'm gonna do the same today. I'm gonna take profits when I'm in profits. NQ shows upward movement today. It could be. It's very possible she could be giving us a push to the upside. I'm gonna take a look real quick at the higher time frames, guys, because it's really choppy right now. Looks like we are getting a bullish absorption candle right now that's going to confirm in the next 3 minutes. That's a really good sign for bulls. We also have that bullish divergence here on the 12-minute, which is also very powerful. Check this out. Bullish divergence here, bullish divergence. Let's see if she plays out. We don't have a bullish divergence on the shorter term though. The shorter time frame here shows that it's just a regular price action. I really would like to see this candle close green for us to get a pop up on this particular candle. That's what the 12 minutes telling me. One more flush here for the bulls. Let's see if they come back and grab some of this liquidity. Yeah, traps every day. She's still leaning bearish though, so on the shorter time frames at least, she's still leaning bearish. One more quick flush under here would get me very bullish, to be honest with you guys. One more quick flush. Something like this, then we really would have a really nice bullish divergence on the 1 minute. Maybe a flush to the daily open would be something that the market may want to do here. It would look very nice on the charts if she did. I think that's what she might want to do here. I think that's what she may want to do. Okay, she could be doing it now. We'll see. We'll see how she starts reacting here. All right, let's see what happens here. It looks pretty promising. She's looking pretty promising. I went long on this. Obviously, it could backfire. I'm thinking of taking profits here under the VWAP at 912. If we can get it to come up. If not, we'll try again after. This could end up becoming a bit of a bull trap, but I like my chances here with the bullish divergence forming. This is too funny. Open a support ticket and tell me to take a trade by accident. It's too funny. She be getting heavy again? She could be getting heavy again. Yeah, sellers are still in here heavy. Sellers are still really heavy in here. Yeah, they're still pushing here. It looks like they may want to come for one more sweep. They may still want one more sweep. Let's see. See if they can get past this 22,900. If they can get past 22,900, then it looks a lot better. If we do not, then it looks like we're going to be coming down much lower here. Take a little risk off here, just in case I'm wrong on this trade. Trying to see if we can get this push here above 900. Is it possible? Is it possible, NQ? Push it, baby. Looks like a possible bull trap. Yeah, it could be. I think my TP's in a decent spot. Let's see if we can hold her. Yeah, it looks like the bears are still trying to grab, belt and bulls are still trying to grab more liquidity here before going higher. We'll keep our eyes open for another opportunity. Possibly need to wait for another dip into that 800 level, maybe 850 daily open. See how she feels about this one. What's going on, Larry? Drewski, what's up, man? We're back into range. No trades yet. Yeah, she's looking weaker and weaker as we go here. Looks like she possibly will be continuing this trend to the downside. I was waiting for a pop into this area here because of liquidity grabs. I wasn't looking to switch my bias completely to the upside, but it looks like she may want to come and grab this. When she'll do it is anyone's guess. All right, she looks decent. She's looking decent. I think she's gonna want to pop up here, is what I'm thinking. I might be looking for a short once we get up into this area up here. A rejection from VWAP. J Ray says he shared a picture in the Discord. Let's see what he's got. This is J Ray's idea right here. 22,779 is where he thinks we'll get a bounce from. How is that even possible? Oh, you're on a, what time frame is that? 4,000 tick. So you think we come down to 22,779 or 780, and then we pop up from there? Oh, I see what you're doing. Okay, not bad. Not bad. That might happen. Good eye on that. Good charting, brother. Really hoping that we get a pop up above this 899 level. That's what I'm thinking we could get. You know, we're starting to see kind of bullish divergences and a little bit. You don't need them to get a quick pop. Be nice to. Yeah. For these fair value gap traders, there are fair value gaps up here. But I also see that there's imbalances in liquidity stacked up here as well. This is where I want to see the market go to for then a reversal down. That's what I'm thinking. Small little pop here. I think we need about 15 points to get there. What's up with Tesla today? Is Tesla still giving up all of that? Today Tesla's up 1%, still under 300. Oof. Looking kind of crazy. See if we can get this push up here to 900s. I think she wants to. I really think she wants to go grab this. How do I connect to my master account on Bulenox? All you have to do is pay for your activation, and then once you pay for it, you just scroll over to your accounts, drop down, and you'll see one that's light purple, and that's your master account. It'll be there automatically. All you have to do is pay for your master, and you're good to go. What's up, Zod? Good morning, brother. God bless, man. All right, she's fighting here. She's really having a hard time getting above 890. Really having a hard time. She's getting beat up or at the 21. That 21 is weighing heavy on her. We'll see here. NQ is definitely wiki, says Sam B. Yeah, she's having a very difficult time here. The bulls are not really showing that much strength right now. She should have gotten past that 21 by now if her intent was to continue heading higher to grab liquidity. Downward momentum, says movers. Yeah, I agree. I do agree. It's always nice to catch bears sleeping, though. If they catch the bears sleeping here, ripping their stop losses, it would make it a much more appealing short at that point. Which I think she may still do. Jay Powell, he's probably here in the background somewhere. Okay, Larry. First, you have to. Did you pay to activate your master account? If you already paid for your master account, just go to your Bulenox Project X. Just go there. And refresh the screen. Once you refresh the screen, you should see your master account as one of the accounts on the top left when you drop them down. Patrick doesn't like the price action right now. Yeah. Still waiting here for this pop before the drop, if it ever comes. Candle finally formed below the bottom of the orb. It's a doji candle waiting for another candle to form below before entering into a short. Gotcha. Yeah, I'm waiting for the liquidity to be taken here above 900. Back into range. All right, let's see. All right, watch the pop here, guys. She's gonna want to grab this. She's gonna want to grab this liquidity before heading back down. We are bearish. I am still looking for a possible short to hold on to, but she could change that quickly. When we're close to the VWAP, price action can act very funny. What's up, Juan Carlos? Oh, go to your dashboard, Larry. Go to your dashboard on Bulenox. And then at the bottom of your dashboard, if you scroll all the way down, where you see all your active accounts, you're going to see an invoice. You should have also received an invoice in your email, Larry. So if you don't see it in your email, look for it in your dashboard at the bottom of all of your accounts on Bulenox. You'll see it there, brother. I think that push is coming soon. You know, they make it very dramatic right before getting to this area here. Sometimes right before grabbing this liquidity, sometimes they'll come in here and then do one more liquidity snatch before coming to get it, because it knows that people tend to move their stop losses up. She could still head up there. It looks like she may want to. Drewski's being patient, exercising his rules. That's good, brother. So Larry, you said you signed the paperwork, but there were no place to pay the fee. Okay, so if you already signed the paperwork for your master account, you'll see the invoice pop up in your dashboard. Give them like an, I would say do both. Give them a little bit of time, but before you get off their website, go to their help desk tab and send them a quick message saying that you're ready to pay for your master. Okay, and then they'll send you the invoice even quicker. They're very good with customer service. They'll get back to you right away. Oh, it did it on the SPX. Oh, it did, huh? Yeah, look at that. It did do it on the SPX. Yeah, I was waiting for it to do it on the on NQ here, but yeah, Jones. There you go, Jones. that's what you want to do? You want to go to the help desk? Do you know how to go to the help desk on your dashboard for Bulenox? Larry, if you want, you want to head over to the Discord. If you're having a hard time finding the help desk, let me know. I'll guide you through it. Okay. Careful here. She might still pop above the 900 level here. She doesn't look like she wants to give up yet. What's up, Rotendo? Doing all right, brother. Thank you for asking, man. Appreciate you guys being here. Let's see if we can get this next move, this next leg up looks very possible. Thinking we could get another pop above here. If not, then we're gonna continue down to that daily open and start possibly grabbing some liquidity further down south. What's going on, Bull Dev? Marcelo, bom dia de Brazil. Good morning to you, brother. Parabéns. Bom trabalho. There you go. Low chop before the move. I don't know. She's looking kind of heavy. She's looking heavy. I don't know if she's going to go. Oh, man. She's acting up now. What's the rest of the market doing? I'd say she might be packing it up, shipping it down south here. Yeah, I think so. It's looking that way. I think she might have given up that battle. Just when she looks the weakest, though, she might come and rip off the face first. Asia way better than New York? Yeah, sometimes it's like that. We go through our seasons where Asia's better than New York. There she goes. Never mind. Yeah, you can get a straight to funded right now with a 50% off for 170 on Tradeify. Yeah, this was a nice move here. You guys are jinxed. Expecting a little push down here closer to the daily open, perhaps before going long. She's still showing heaviness here. The sellers are still absorbing any buyers. Drewski, you're waiting for the candle to form before going short? I don't know about the sweep anymore, man, because the reason why I got really bearish all of a sudden was because I saw this here. We saw the bears absorbing here. You know, that's never a good sign. So I wanted to see this sweep before going lower, but the ES already did it. You know, we might get a pop back into here. Might fill the 1 minute FEG. Yeah, I definitely do not want to start trying to catch knives here. Careful with knife catching, guys. Knife catching is never fun. I know some of you may be playing the Tory here. Some of you love the Tory. Bullish divergence is forming on the 1 minute. That much I will say. Bullish divergence is forming. Sellers are still strong here. Oops. How long have I been on that one? I started following you last week. Oh man, you're in for a treat, Marcella. You're in for a treat, brother. Thank you, Marcella. I appreciate you being here, man. I think we're gonna see more downside, but there is still some hesitation in my mind that she could still come here to grab this liquidity left behind before taking another spill. Right now we do have a confirmed bullish divergence on the 1 minute. How high that's going to take us is anyone's guess. What's up, Dr. Phil? Retracing the FVG. Yeah, maybe, and even maybe some more. That's the thing I'm looking at here. You like my operational? Thank you, man. I appreciate that. Just got to be patient here. Wait for a nice entry. Definitely want to be smart about it. She might start squeezing these suckers. Could squeeze up to 22.9. Sweep incoming? Yeah, it's coming, right, Jones? Looks like it. She missed this level the first time. Let's see if she'll get it this time. How long have I been in the markets? 2 years with futures and 2 years with Bitcoin before that. Does anyone trade Tory triangles? Or is it just Tory trend lines? Yeah, we throw a triangle in here and there. She said there's always the proper trend line for each occasion. I caught that short candle on the M&Q. I was just being cautious. Nice job, Samby. Way to get there quick, man. She's ready. There she goes. There she goes. I should have took that long. I was like, I don't know why I didn't take the long. I was kind of like in deer in the headlights for a second. Watch this level. Watch how she starts reacting. Reject, come on. Yeah, well, be patient because before I take a trade here, I want to see sellers step back in with some bearish absorption candles. Until I see that, I'm gonna just stay off the chart here. This is the area that I wanted it to start finding possible shorts in, but she might start squeezing these suckers in here now. Be careful with that. Bielka, what's going on? What a sweep Asia low? Is that what it did? I don't think it did yet though, right? Asia low was at 807, I think. That's what I have. Estoy bien. How about you? I've been long since overnight, said Mo Lester. That's why I'm hoping it goes up. Oh, Mo, you took a trade. Wow, Mo, good for you, brother. Mo took a trade. That means this thing's gonna go to 30,000 pretty soon. NQ heading to 30K soon, guys. Got it, Mo. Smart man. Mo was a great trader. Very patient guy. All right, we're back at VWAP here. Let's see what yeah, she was definitely wanting to squeeze, man. Look how clean this was here. Not a red candle in sight. That is a squeeze if I've ever seen one in my life. All right, now she's gonna want to go to yesterday's high, 23.29. That looks like it's gonna be its next target, most likely, unless she goes to overnight high and comes back. But I think she's probably going to yesterday's high. So I'm waiting for her to maybe do something like this, come back into range, maybe somewhere in here, get long. Because the shorts, I don't know anymore. I don't know about these shorts anymore. Maybe, I don't know. It's hard to say. Maybe she wanted this liquidity here first before maybe dropping. I'm going to play level to level. Right now, it's hard to say. She's kind of in between. You have Asia low markets at 22,857. I'll double check real quick. Squeeze City, yeah, for sure. Shorts got burned. It's distracting. You're funny, Mo. Yeah, very nice move here for the bulls. That bullish divergence worked out to a T. Oops. Okay, so the market opened here at 6 p.m. and we came down as low as 22,807. Bielka, you have 22,857. You thinking about this candle, perhaps? You thinking about this one? Maybe, I don't know. Maybe you're you're counting your Asia session. I'm just saying an overnight in general. The overnight was here. Your Asia candle. If Asia opens up at 8 o'clock, I don't trade overnight, so I don't know what time Asia opens up. But if you're counting your Asia session low, if it starts at 8, then you're right. I just look at the overnight low. I look at both. Gotcha, Bianca. Yeah, okay. I understand. I understand. Yeah, you play them by sessions. Yeah, I just look at the entire overnight low. Wow, what a move. What a move here. Very, very nice move here, guys. Whoa. She's strong. Strange. Yeah, this thing's gonna rip. Nah, there's no news right now that I know of. What's up, Danu? Because I was looking for the short. This is the reason why. Because I was looking for the short in here, but then the market just kept ripping, so I didn't go short. And then I was looking to see if maybe she'd reverse from here, but she has another idea in mind right now. So what I'm looking for is I'm looking for the 21 now to cross the VWAP, the 100 pair VWAP, which it just did. So I'm waiting for the first reversal back into here with some bullish absorption, and then I'd like to go long from there and hold that trade. That's my next trade setup that I'm waiting on right now. I should have went long in here. I should have, because I saw the bullish divergence, but I didn't, so I didn't want to chase. Because when you chase, you get, a lot of times you chase, you get hurt really bad. But you got to admire the move. She played this move very well. The reason why I didn't want to get long here is because the daily open was right here. And I was having a hard time believing she was going to leave the daily open behind. And so therefore I didn't go long here. I thought she still had another drop in her. So that's what she does sometimes. She plays us like a fiddle. She does things like that where she'll come to an important level and she'll miss it just to leave people behind and not believe that the move is real. Or what happens is that, you know, shorts, they're covering early. They cover early, like they buy back their shorts early. They take profits before the actual target. So it never really gets to that level. How do you participate in a 50K giveaway? We got to get the likes up to 100, and then you have to be in our Discord. The link to the Discord is pinned here in the chat. So go over there and become a member. It's free to do so. And then once I announce the giveaway, then you can enter. Now this is the NQ, the Nasdaq Futures. Hasn't broken over the upper orb yet. I have 4-hour supply zone. Nice, Bianca, at 22,950. Yeah, still in range, says Drewski. Sold the NQ and the YM. Yeah. We'll see what ends up happening here. You sold it just now? The YM looks a lot weaker than the rest of the indices. I'm gonna sit tight here, wait for a bullish absorption candle before possibly taking this thing higher, but you know, who knows? She could give it up. She can give it up. If we don't get some bullish action going, then I'm gonna obviously look for a different opportunity. Thanasis took the short at 22,940. Good job, brother. We are still in that chop zone, though. I have to keep that in mind. We are over here trading right around the VWAP, the regular VWAP. This green line is my value weighted average price. It's a tough area to get long or short from. That I will say. Very hard. Squeezed the dog out of me, Thanasis. Yo, you were short, Thanasis. You got squeezed. Sorry to hear that, man. That sucks. See if you guys can start pumping those likes and get to 100 before noon. See if we could do it before noon. As long as I breathe, I can make it back. Nothing to worry about. I like your attitude, brother. Join the Discord, and how can I know when the giveaway will be and how to participate? Yeah, I'm going to show you once we hit 100 likes, but you're going to have to enter the channel that says giveaways and click a button on the bot that I create once the giveaway is live. Right now, joining the Discord and picking a role is all you have to do for now. There's nothing else you can do to get a head start. Just be here when we announce 100 likes. Patience here, guys. Just a little patience here goes a long way. Look at that dip here, guys. Look at that dip. She's dipping like that fry in that frosty. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Yeah, she could be pretty rough on us, huh? At times. I don't think we have any news today, but yeah, she could just be rough out of nowhere for no good reason. Why you gotta be so rude sometimes, NQ? Zen's been scalping, that's the way to go. She's hurting everyone today. Yeah, pointless to trade today. I'm out, says Patrick. Who knows? July markets? Yeah, I heard the summer markets could be pretty rough. Might be one of those days where I just sit on my hands. Don't counter out yet, guys. Don't counter out yet. Remember, we are at the VWAP. Chopping that VWAPing, you know. Let's see if she gives a little push here. I think she may want to start trapping shorts once again here around the VWAP. Let's see if she'll give us a little yellow candle here somewhere. I went long on this move, but I could be wrong here, guys. I could be very wrong here. I could be absolutely, positively wrong here on this move. The market could start giving it up. If I see some major signs of bullishness, then I might get out of this trade. I mean bearishness. If I see bearishness, major signs of bearishness, it might be time to pull the plug. Still pushing here to the downside. Could end up getting my stop right in here. Let's see if she finds support here at 900 again. Could be a terrible place to have gotten long from. We'll see in just a moment. She looks terrible here. Terrible. It's like a perfect place to get long from. All right, I think we're going to add to this trade here instead. Let's see if we can add one. Looking like a reversal. Guess they might be giving up the ghost here. Not looking so hot. She's not looking so hot. Yeah, she looks... No bounce on that. No bounce at all. Yikes. We're in trouble here. Delta's getting stronger to the downside. May have to cut this one. May have to cut her here. Ooh, this is ugly. Oof. Thank you. What are you doing to me? Good job on the shorts, guys. It's probably Hasuni dumping this market here. He's probably short somewhere. Oh, man. She caught me. She got me. Oh, she got me, man. She got me bad. Good job, NQ. She got me really bad that time. Yeah, they got me really good. Oh, well. It's one of those days. One of those days. Tori told me there'd be days like this. Very nice, very nice. Very nice, market makers. She's coming back for that daily open. The one that she left behind. She got me so good, man. We were talking about that daily open here, too. She just got me really bad. That's all good. We got our eval still intact. We'll bring it back from the dead. We'll bring her back from the dead. Trump just posted he won't change his mind on the tariffs. Is that what just happened? The fib level would have saved me. Yeah, my stop loss should have saved me too. I shouldn't have added to it. Why do I mention Tori trades often? Because she's a really good trader, and we use her Tori Trends concepts all the time. We got to give her credit. Really, did he just mention that? Is that really what just happened? Oh my God. At 10:47, Trump will start being paid. Trump says tariffs will start being paid on August 1st. There has been no change to this date, and there will be no change. Okay. Very nice. Very nice. Back in the dungeon here around the daily open. What a dump, man. What a dump. Good job, NQ. Nice job grabbing that liquidity. Looks like it's gonna be a dumping marathon here. Nice, nice job, shorts. May a Schwartz be with you. Let's see if that's actually what she wants here. More downside. People are gonna think, yeah, I got beef. Why? Why would I have beef with Tori? She's literally a female. Tori concepts. I wouldn't have beef with anyone, especially not Tori. You know who her uncle is? I got trumped. Yeah, I did get trumped, man. I got traumatized too after that. Haven't seen the Renkos. I got them up on my right-hand screen right now. But I should have waited for the Renkos to confirm bullish absorption, and I didn't. That's my fault. I saw it on the regular candles, but not on the Renko. Captain's getting off the charts. Yeah, I don't blame you, brother. You've had fun before, and this ain't it. He's a sexist. Said she is a female. He's sexist. Yeah, I should be equally. I should equally hand out beef to everybody. Tory Senior. Orange Swan event. Yeah. Orange Swan event. Entries called live on Smooth Trading. Yeah. Just fade my trades today, guys. It's one of those days. You start the day off bad, and then the trades end up following you. I hope Tory doesn't have beef. I don't think Tory wants it, man. Tory doesn't want it. All right, let's see if we get this move back up now after this manipulation down. Could be something. It's possible. How big was that dump? 100 points, huh? You don't say. Tori's way too busy to have beef with me, man. She's too busy getting paid, brother. Getting a little pumpy now? Yeah, she is a little pumpy, isn't she? So as Zenzen pointed out, the Renko is right here on my chart. On the way down, we didn't have any reason to get long in here. The first time we had any yellow candles was in here at 10:54, confirmed at 10:55, and then again here at 10:56. So this is where I should have started forming a long, not up here. So I made that mistake. I thought I was smarter than the market here because I saw on my regular chart, I started seeing some bullish confirmation candles. I saw this red candle. I thought this red candle was the manipulation. And I was like, oh, you know, let me, this was early news. Somebody got the news early here on Trump. And then this came as a result after the news kind of soaked in. I got long on here. I should have waited. But it happens. It happens. It happens. Yeah, Tori don't trash talk nobody, man. She's clean as they come. Yeah, she's getting a bit pumpy, right? Imagine if she rips now to yesterday's high. Imagine if she starts pumping. That would be something. That was quite the dump. You grabbed along at 8:59 and made back the loss. Good job, Zenzen. To be honest with you guys, I did the same thing here. I kind of grabbed that long off the confirmation with the Renkos. So we're still in good shape on this. If anything, we break even on it. But I think if we get this pump here to 931, we'll pass our eval and we'll be fine. We'll be fine. Dang, those moves are still in the range and no trades yet. Wow. Yeah. So good trades, Zenzen. We made up the loss here as well, but I'm gonna hold off until we get the 931. Looks like that was the manipulation move down first. What a manipulation, though. That really did take out most of the longs there. Didn't leave a long in sight. Oh, you wish you stayed in longer? Well, green is green, Zenzen. Green is green, girl. Just keep it green. That's all that matters. We got wrecked on that last trade, though. How funny was that? That was pretty funny. See, that's what gets people's attention. That's what gets people going. Let's see if we can pump those likes, guys. We haven't had a single like in like the last 15 minutes. I even took a $1,400 loss for you guys for entertainment purposes only. Don't be discouraged. Yeah, no, it's cool. I just had a rough morning, so you know when you have a rough morning or a rough day, you feel like you transfer that to the charts. Chin up, buttercup. Yeah. Small account, I am up $18. That's okay, Sam B. Green is green. On the M&Q, that's fine, brother. Keep it green, baby. I know, man. It's in my head. It's all in your head. You create your own reality. Yeah. Thank you, J Ray. Thank you for saying that. Dylan, what's up, Dylan? How you doing, man? Let's see if we continue getting this move up here on the VWAP, guys. It'd be nice. It'd be nice. No guarantees in life, though. Only guarantees are death and taxes. You know that. You ever trade the wrong account? Yeah, I have. Thinking it was an eval and it was a funded, and then boom. Oh, nice, man. That's a good mistake to make. Yeah, I would have normally done that, but I wanted to show it for you guys. Lock in some of those profits. Man, I hate when people say that because then I end up not doing it, I get wrecked. And then I do it and it goes in my direction. So I don't know what to do. Now you got me all like, should I not? Just to be safe, even 400? Yeah, maybe I will, Sam B. What's up, Go Back? How you doing? Tony Go Back. How about this? How about we move it into profits a bit here, just a bit into profits. Make you both happy. Leave one. Yeah, there we go. I moved my stop up a little bit. I really think she wants to wreck shorts here. I really do. I think she wants to wreck shorts here, but if she ends up coming below the 884, then I'll probably close her out. I know, Sam B, you're doing the right thing for me. I just feel like whenever I do move it up, even yesterday when I moved it up just a little bit, it came, like at the last trade of the day yesterday, it came, stopped me out even when I moved it just a little bit, and then it went in my direction. I was so pissed. I don't know if you guys saw that last trade of the day, but I know you're just trying to help me out, Sam B. You're right. I should probably be taking profits here. But this is an account that I just lost 1,400 in, and this trade here will put us over the edge to get this in to be my third master account. So I hope it hits my target. You know, the market makers are watching the stream though. Maybe I should take profits. Zen, that's smart. So, yeah, you saw that, Thanasis? Yesterday I got wicked and then it went in my direction. It would have got me green on the day, but it happens. But Sam B, you're 100% right. If this was a funded, I'd be taking profits 100%, brother. Just trying to get this eval here to pass. Close my longs right back where I started the day. 300, nice. I gotta let the market reverse itself, reveal itself. Tori's uncle's watching. Yeah, he is, man. He's the market maker of market makers. Right now, it's only left 800 bucks to pass. 800 bucks. If we hit that 931, I think we'll pass. I started the day only needing, I think, 1,500 to pass, but then we had that huge loss just now with that Trump tweet. So we're trying to, you know, make it back on this one. Hopefully we get it. Might end up not getting it though. We'll see. Good thing is we're above the VWAP. Looks like we're about to have that crossover of the 21 and the 100 again. See if we can get it. Yeah, 1K is a K, yeah. Home internet went out. Really. Yeah, she's starting to run into some trouble here. With the midnight open at 22,920. We'll see if that has any effect on it at all. I'm watching it closely here, Sambi. I'm watching it closely. What's going on, Khan? How you doing, brother? Good to see you here. Take one off there for Sam B. Let's see if we can take one off there. So we took one off, and I'm gonna have to push this up a bit here. If we get through it, we'll need a little bit more. I think that should probably be it. SB Soul is short from 903. Yeah. See if she gets the next leg up here. Drewski, sorry to hear that you're having issues there. Okay. Thank you, J Ray. Appreciate you, man. It says, I like seeing someone else practice the discipline of holding a trade following their process. Yeah. Thank you, man. 23K, maybe. Maybe we hit 23K. Good job, Con. Short off the Tori trend line. Ay, ay, ay. Discipline is very important. I even told Tori to call me ASAP if she needs me. You guys are funny. Are we butting up against a Tori trend line? There is always a Tori trend line somewhere. It's our job as traders to make sure that we find them. I see a major toy on the 30-minute. Let's see where it ends up. On the 30-minute, we have this major trend line here from, I don't know where you guys would put it, because if we lower it, if we lower this trend line, it you know, it'll get really weird. I'm thinking if we respect the trend, the wicks up here, we could see price still head up to 22,940s. If the bulls are still, you know, in it to win it. Looks like they could be. It's on the 30. 30 looks bullish. The 1 minute, not so much. Price is kind of flipped here. I don't know if it's going to continue higher, but it's flipped so far. 21 has flipped over the 100 period again. If you guys see this little, it's not much, it's something. Still think there's a chance for a higher price, so we got to hold and find out. One minute trend line, 22,935. Says Peter L. They loaded the offer at 932. Did they? Gotcha. Market thinks we can get up to 22,954. It's possible. Yes. Yeah, it looks like 930 has a ton. 930 has a ton. 22,930 looks heavy, right? I see that on the good old heat map there. Yeah, 930 has a lot. It could be a spoof, right? It could be a spoof to have people hold their orders longer. Zara Trader, you were on gold earlier? Starting to get kind of heavy. Nothing looks spooky here. They're buying up the stock. Yeah, the VWAP is one hell of a place to be trading at. That's one thing I will say. Good job. Good job on that, Zara Trader. We still didn't tap the daily open, and we really didn't grab the overnight lows either. So there's a chance that she could still have her eyes on that prize, but we'll see. Yesterday's low down there too. Still waiting, anticipating. Might see more movement after the hedgy guys come back from lunch. Could be. All right. All right, let's see if they end up recovering this. So I tried a little maneuver here. I ended up adding one, but then my stop moved up a little bit, so I'm protecting my stop. It doesn't have to work, but if it does work, then we will pass this eval a little sooner and a better somewhere in here. We'll pass it somewhere here if we get the pop back up. The bid spoofed. Yeah, that happens a lot of times. It does spoof. Looks like we might be getting stopped out here. 930 is still there. I still see it up there. Yeah, if we break even, it was worth the opportunity. We took one off. So we made back some money there. But if we do get the market to move in our direction here, if we do get it to cooperate, then we'll pass our eval sooner. Right now, it's not looking like it wants to cooperate too much. We have a big fair value gap in here, so we might end up getting stopped out and go back into our direction. If it does, I still have a good shot passing this thing today. Alright, she's getting super heavy here. Alright, looks like we began taking out here. No worries if we do. Yep. Market makers are watching, guys. The market makers are watching here. We'll try something. We'll try something else. Let's see if we can find something that's a little better. The market looks like it's pushing harder now. Maybe back down to daily open. Yeah, price action is moving here. Yeah, very choppy, rangy market here. Yeah, she just wanted my stop. That's all she wanted. I did say there was a fair value gap in here. 0 prints. She may have wanted to fill that, but the question is, where does she stop? Where does she actually stop is the question. They're trying to get people out around 840 to 820, says Samby. So they're trying to push this thing down even further, huh? That's what I figured too. They are moving this thing back down. We haven't seen that daily open hit yet. Pretty aggressive selling here. Taco Tuesday, says Enzen. Could be a Taco Tuesday. That's probably what's happening here. Gotcha, brother. That's what he thinks they're trying to do. Yeah, they're pushing. Just as hard as they push this thing up, they're pushing it down. What's going on, D3? Yeah, I was being greedy, Jenna. You nailed it on the head. I was being greedy. I should have taken the second contract too. I took one off, thanks to Sam B, but I left the other one as a runner. I normally wouldn't do that on a funded account, but since this is an eval, I wanted to see it run so I could be done with that account. Yeah, she's running here. There's a statistic that once the price breaks the VWAP, it bounces off the VWAP and continues going 80% of the time. I guess this was one of the 20% of times that it did not want to do that. So unfortunately, that one did not work. Not enough buyers, Captain? Yeah, perhaps. Markets. The thing is, the market's actually moving good, though. It's actually moving good. It's not consolidating like it did yesterday. It's actually moving, which is great. You know, I should be able to pass this eval today here on this, in this environment. I do not want to get my fundeds involved today. I'm not in the headspace for it. D3 says I blew my funded today. Yeah. Yeah. Sorry, brother. Yeah, higher time frames don't look that good, huh? Just blew my TPT Pro too. Jim, I'm sorry, man. Yeah, my big win today would be just passing one of these Bulenox evals, making it a 3 masters that I could start trading maybe later on this week. Join the gold trade? What's gold doing? Is gold better than this? Because NQ is not trading bad today. It's not bad. You still looking for more shorts on gold? Because gold looks still dumpy. Or are you trying to take this thing long? I probably wouldn't be going long yet, but that's just me. Probably go for that daily open this time, huh? Asuni shorted 867. Nice job, brother. Careful here, this could be a bull trap. Oof. Strong again. Renkos are calling it out. Try to see if we can make up for it on this one here. Very rangy market here, but I'd be happy with a 896 hit here. I'd be happy with 896. That's where that move originated from. Yeah, I think we'll sweep the low of day. I just don't know if we'll do it right now. I'd like to see to clear up these imbalances first. What's going on, George? Thanks for stopping in, brother. See if we can get a little push here at 895 or 896. Cool. See if we get that follow through. If not, we'll get stopped here at break even. My short is still available under 892. That's good, Hasuni. I just need 896, man. You can have your short back after that. See if the buyers pick up the slack here. Thanks, Romana. Romana reminding you guys to hit the likes so we can get a another eval going at 100. 100 likes here. Looks like we're gonna get another tap of my break even here. My entry. She wasn't done with it yet. Wow, my trading view froze for like a second here. My trading view candle just froze. Meanwhile, Project X was smooth. Smooth, smooth, smooth. Come on, baby, you're gonna push it to 896 for us. Might have a Tory trend line around there too. Just looking at the price action right now. And it looks like we have a Tory at 894. Yeah, so it looks like the price might be getting gravitated to there. We'll see. Check it out. There's a Tory right there at 894. Let's see if we can get that push up there. Man, she's having a hard time getting above there. It's gonna take it off right there because it's looking like I'm having a very hard time trying to chip away at that that red we have. So trying to come back from that $1,400 loss we took earlier today. We'll get the next one. What's going on, Rock? And Forex? I did learn anything from Tori. She's the reason I'm a... You're funny. Yeah. Thanks, Nintendo. I just wanted to take a little bit off there. It wasn't much. But I am still thinking we could find some better trades today to get this account past that 3K mark. We have about $1,048 drawdown, so we should be okay. You just need to take some good calculated trades. Armando's reminding you guys to check out our Discord. Yeah, today's one of those days, man. You gotta watch it. You can go on tilt easily with those unexpected moves out of nowhere. Yeah, yesterday was pretty bad too. Today's no slacker. It's like 893 will be the first target here. Right above here. This is where our imbalances kind of end. This is a chop range day so far, guys. You blew your TPT eval? Yeah, I'm sorry to hear that, brother. Yeah, today was a rough day, man. It's okay. It's probably in the air. She just wants my liquidity. Yeah, that's why I took my profits before she can come and get my stop. She would have grabbed it. Take your profits before someone else does, yeah. Good call. Trying to muscle her way up there above the 890s. I just took that 876 area long when it pulled back. Oh, that was quick, Samby. $40 more likes, guys, and we'll do our giveaway. I'm sorry, 31 more likes. Apologize. 31 more likes, guys. That's not much. Careful here, guys. She could be starting to put in a reversal back down. We have some absorption happening here. Bears are absorbing here. You see purple. Sellers taking over. Shorts look pretty good here. Did you get out of your short, Hasuni, or are you still in it? Still below the bottom orb, says Drewski on a 5-minute. Still scared to counter trend, just waiting and watching for now, says Jones. Resistance at 15-minute low on the SPX. Pretty strong there. Definitely trying to catch people sleeping here. Be careful. Yeah, this is the area. This is the area, the make or break area, the trend line. They always do it around the trend line. Yeah, watch it, guys. Yeah, sellers look like they're strong in this area here. Looks like the limit sellers here are pretty strong. Yeah, you're still in your short, right? Good eye. Good eye here. Sellers are looking really strong there. Yeah, I'm glad we got out of our long when we did. This is just nightmarish here. 22,900 is the old gamma magnet, says Khan. Not one clean move. Yeah, I don't see him either. Yeah, I'll tell you, if she really wants to go higher, she's doing a great job right now at looking weak. I'm telling you. P is respecting that trend line. Man, told you, Tori ain't lying with these trend lines. She's onto something. You guys got to pay attention. Yeah, she always does the unexpected, man. She's always going to do the unexpected. She got past it. It ain't over till the fat lady sings, says Hasuni. Let's see if their intent was to trap longs here. Buyers are still looking stinking strong here. Buyers are still looking strong. Maybe not for long. This would be a good place for it to just dump. 839. She's still strong, Hasuni. What is she doing? Yeah, she's being a bit trifling. What's going on, Team Crypto? LV, good morning to everyone. Let's see what she does here, guys. Looking like she wants to rip it back higher. That VWAP's right there. Makes for tricky trading. Wrinkles are looking bullish right now. Momentum has slowed a bit though. It's kind of contradictory right there. Sitting on my hand, says Team Crypto. You put your stop at 897, so you're out of it. Yeah, longs here looks stupid strong. My VWAP method? Oh, you mean the VWAP crossover? The VWAP crossover is pretty serious. Wow, this looks strong, man. Looks like she wants to blow through this VWAP here right now. Yeah, that's a lot of strength going into the VWAP right there. That'll be a perfect fake out to dump it now with all that strength going into the VWAP. Imagine that. That would be iconic. NQ getting everybody today? Yeah. You caught that fake out, Sambi? You mean the long or the short? Trump is speaking. That should give us some stability. Imagine. That'll be the day. See if she ends up giving it up here. That would be classic NQ. After all that strength there, just to kind of reverse course here. I think it's very possible. Maybe head down to the lower day. Sam B says short. Oh, you mean you caught that short somewhere? Good for you, brother. See if the market starts agreeing with sellers here, or if this is just a fake out again. Possible another move higher here. Ready for 10-point moves, but yesterday and today looks like no trade day. Yeah, it's hard to say. It's just so choppy. There's a good chance we could head back down to that daily open or the low of the overnight. Tough call here. Looks like they're trying to put in that crossover once again. So we continue higher here. Or is that the fake out? Yeah, she sure is getting everybody today because you can't tell what direction she wants to head in. No clarity here at the VWAP. Buyers are still looking heavy here. Buyers are still strong. Yeah, Yeah, buyers are going to just rip through this level here. Yeah, she's still going higher. Looks like she wants to keep going. Should have stayed in my long. That would have been nice. Yeah. Broke the VWAP. Looks like she'll probably go in, start squeezing hard now. Yeah, he's talking about this, the tragedy that happened in Texas. Man, I don't even know what to say about that, man. That is so sad. That's so sad. All right, so he's above VWAP. Let's see what ends up happening here. Yeah, you're done for the day, Drewski? Yeah, I might not be too far behind you. What levels is my VWAP settings? I got a session VWAP. It starts at the beginning of every session. Yeah, good job, anybody in the longs. Good job, guys. Great trading, guys. Green is green. Jones, yeah, you got 30 position got filled. My VWAP is at 904, 22, 903. Sorry. Yeah, look at this market is this market is looking to rip shorts. She's looking to rip shorts for sure. Careful, guys. She's squeezing. She's going to be a squeezer here. That was a big liquidity level at 930. I don't know if she'll head up there, but it could be. Sambi's done for the day? Yeah. See you tomorrow, brother. Still showing signs of strength here. What's the ATR at the moment? ATR today, right now, 7. ATR is low, but she's moving pretty good. She's not staying still, which is good. Yeah, let's see what she ends up doing here. Yeah, she's gonna rip higher. At least that's what it looks like here. Either she's teasing to go higher or she's gonna do it. Yeah, that's a nice curve. Is there a delay on my stream? Hit live on your bottom left of your screen and you should be fine. I don't think there should be a delay. Hit live on your screen and it should bring you up to date. If down from here, NQ can go up quickly. Is there going to be a giveaway? Yeah, as long we need 16 more likes. Let's get 16 more likes, guys. We'll do the giveaway. Yeah, this would be really crazy if the NQ ends up giving it up. I don't think she will though. Looks like she's curving. The 100 period VWAP looks kind of curvy, if you guys see, or it might be following its trajectory. We're getting a lot of this. We got a pop there. Yeah, she looks like she may want to go higher. BTC and ETH are pumping. Nasdaq pump. She's ripping for 20 minutes now on 10-minute candle. Yeah, not bad. I don't blame you, James. I mean, Jones. Sorry, man. Take it easy, Jones. Five more likes, guys. We'll do it. Take care, Jones. You added to your short there, Hasuni? Nice, brother. I'm about to YOLO a 7 contract trade. I'm in one of those moods today, baby. Don't get me started. Let's go in 7 contracts. YOLO. Says Patrick. Don't get me started, man. Volume getting smaller. Now 3 consecutive 15-minute candles that are all buy side. Market's been hanging around the VWAP all morning. This is kind of driving me insane a little bit. When she breaks loose of the VWAP, then we might be able to figure something out. 4 more likes, guys, and we'll do the giveaway. Be careful with scammers in the Discord, guys. I just got a message from Kelvin, from somebody impersonating me. Thank you guys for the likes. All right, guys, we are live now with the giveaway. Just go ahead and over to our Discord, head down to the announcements section right here on the left-hand side. You can see we have announcements. Underneath the announcements section, you'll see the giveaways channel. Just click on giveaways. It'll lead you here. Just click the little party favor icon there and you're good to go. That's all you got to do. Good luck to everyone. I went long, guys. I went long there. So my trade looks like right now. Forgot I was long gold from nearly an hour. Scared me when I got fill confirmation. Turned out good though. Good job, Chad. Beautiful, man. Great job. All right, you guys got 15 minutes for the giveaway. Make sure you head on over to the Discord. We still got them. Just a heads up, guys, if you are looking for any new evals, right now the best deal on the market for a 50K account right now would be Tradeday. Still has their 40% off with no activation fee sale going on, which is $59.40 for a trailing drawdown account. If you want, let's say, a Tradeify end of day drawdown, that would be $69. I'm sorry, yeah, $69 end of day drawdown. That's pretty good. If you want a Tradeify 25K straight to funded, that'll cost you $174 right now. It's not a bad deal for straight to funded. That's cheaper than than some prop firms. That'd be cheaper than a 50K with Apex right now. So that's not a bad deal either. Obviously, the end of day drawdown sounds pretty good also for 69 bucks. That's a growth account. If you pick Tradeday static, let's say a static 50K static, which means it's like almost trading cash, that's only 90 bucks right now. So there's some great deals to have right now on the prop firms, So I'm wondering if you guys are in the market and you need something. If anybody wants to take a look at this spreadsheet and play around with themselves to see which one is the best, just hit me up on Discord. I'll give it to you guys so you guys can play around with it. Yeah, the Tradeday trailing drawdown, it's the best deal on the market right now. Now, if you're looking for the cheapest evaluation, that would be Bulenox right now with a $15.75 evaluation account. The activation fee is $148, so that would make the total cost of the account $163. Some people don't pass their evals on the first shot, so it's not a bad trade-off. I know me, it takes me a while because I get a little degenerate sometimes. But yeah, there you go, guys, in case you're looking for something. And if you want the spreadsheet to play around with it yourselves, just hit me up on the DMs on Discord. Looks like BTC pumped and dumped. That's weird. Looking all right now on our trade. Still looking okay. Why to go long there? Because we had a 21 bullish crossover, and then I saw a okay. I'll explain to you why I went long. So the first thing is I'm starting to see curvature here in the 100 period VWAP. I'm starting to see curvature here. But I also saw that the 21 crossed over again. And I saw that we tested the VWAP there, and we got a bullish absorption candle. So I went long there. I'm seeing they're trying to squeeze shorts. So I just went long there. Obviously, if I'm wrong, I'm going to find out about it around 887. But right now, the trade looks okay. Trade looks all right now. That's just my analysis. You know, my analysis doesn't have to be correct. It's just the trade that I put on. Tradeday is good, but a lot of restricted countries, yeah, they probably are. They're very stringent when it comes to their rules. It's lunchtime? Yeah, it's lunchtime. To be honest with you guys, this will be probably my last trade. I have some things I have to take care of this afternoon. We'll see. Circle back in case you guys want to see the carnage. Have I ever watched Algo Box Trading with the guy Vinny? The dude made 40K yesterday and he's up 10K now. What's up, Danny T? Have we did the giveaway yet? It's going on right now. So head on over to the Discord and enter. Yeah, I've seen Vinny trade before. The guys in some of the guys in the stream here know who he is too. Yeah, he's scalping and he's scalping all day. He's doing big numbers. We push about 915. A retest of 929 seems more likely. That said, there's no guarantee we'll break through to 929 and flip the trend. Yeah, there's no guarantee. In life, there are zero guarantees, guys. Zero guarantees. Only 2 guarantees, death and taxes. That's it. That's the only guarantees. Those are the only guarantees, guys. Looks like we still got that liquidity up at 9:30. Will she go grab it? And looks like 9:40 has some as well. I'm calling it out right now. What you're calling out 9:33 or 9:39? What is a hard stop, Angel? 15-minute RSI flat in the middle of range. Renko RSI 10 points above middle of range. You're in buys? You're taking your profits at 9:30s? Yeah, the RSIs are all pretty much pinched right now. I think we're due for a big green candle. I think we're due for a big green candle. We haven't seen one of those in a minute. Just like we get big red ones, we also get big green ones. Yeah, because I think she wants to come and squeeze this trend line again up here. I think she wants to grab this trend line again and probably go to higher day. The daily VWAP first deviation was 929, but since it's moving now, it's 932. Okay. Trump's talking? That's never good. If Trump says something, oh my God, if Trump says something real crazy here, he could get us ripped, huh? We got 5 minutes left in the giveaway, guys. 5 minutes left in our giveaway. Marcus kind of come to a halt, waiting for Trump to say something so they can drop this thing like 100 points probably. What's going on, Sofa FX? Thank you for stopping in. Zero Cool, what's up, man? We have 930 resistance. Let's see if we can push the 940. Looks like Trump might be saying something the market likes. You can join the giveaway by hitting the link in the description here. Go to our Discord and go to the announcement section. Under the announcement section, you'll see giveaway. Click on that channel and you'll see the bot, which you have about 3 minutes to do so. You'll see the bot, and here, the little party favor icon, you just gotta tap the little party favor icon and you're good to go. That's it. Go to announcements, under announcement, giveaways, hit the little thing right there. Make sure we got our TP there. Okay. TP hit. Good job, guys. Anybody who was long on that, good luck. I mean, good job. Thing is, I don't think she's going to stop there. I think she's going to keep going. Good hit, though. The Discord link is in the pinned comment here in the chat. If you look at the pinned comment, it's here in the chat. I forgot you put a limit sell and you're up 500, then up 300 now. I mean, you can't be doing too good with it because market's still very strong here. I told you we needed those big green candles. I told you that we were due for them, and here they are. Just like we get these red ones, yeah, we also get these. Yeah. Grabbed all that liquidity, baby. Next possible target, the moon. Anybody holding it to the moon? Good job. Moon's coming. All right, let's take a quick look at the 30-minute, see where she might be headed to. All right, the overnight high is here at 22,974. We got yesterday's high here at 23.28. They're all very possible. Yeah, we're getting that push right now. Strong push. Should have held it. Shoulda, coulda, woulda held it. Yeah, they are. You won, buddy? Congratulations, Filmsy it? Filmzate. Filmzate. Is that you, M-Pass? Congratulations, brother. Okay. Send me a message on Discord. The Trading Tour wants to know if I was playing opposite positions on NQ and the S&P, what entry points would be set for you? I always, my best performing trades are when I get, like you guys asked me earlier, my best performing trades are when I see a trend shift. The two trades I like the best are when you get a trend shift, which is 21 crossing over something like a 100 period VWAP. And then you start to see buyers stepping in or sellers if you're going short. That's a good indication for me to take a trade. And the other one that is a really good indication for me that works out a lot is when you have a bullish divergence and you have bullish absorption as well. Like this right here, this move down. This came with bullish divergences, and it also came with you seeing buyers stepping in and absorbing sell pressure here. Those are good entries. Those are good observations and entries. Other than that, I mean, if you're gonna scalp, a good little scalp, for me at least, if you're gonna scalp, a good little scalping technique is, I don't do it much because I'm trying to hold my trades longer. A good little scalping technique would be if you find above, if you're above the, let's say 21, and you see something bullish happen, like a bullish absorption followed by a green candle, you could do a 2-to-1 or a 1-to-1 R. These 1-to-1 Rs work really well. So for instance, here's another one, bullish absorption, green candle afterwards, you get at least a 1-to-1. All right, now on the downside, if you're looking for shorts to do the same thing with, you would look for bearish absorption under the 21, followed by a red candle, and those work. So right here, if you look, you've got bearish absorption followed by a red candle right here. Gave you that 1-to-1 or 2-to-1. Again right here, this one was pretty intense though. Again right here, when you see that bearish absorption followed by a red candle, it gives you that 2-to-1. So they exist, they're there. The opportunities are there for you. I don't know about, you know, comparing it to the S&P, because I don't put them against each other as far as like having any kind of divergences. I don't really do that too often, but they work, and they work pretty well. If you look for these indications above or below the 21, they work pretty good. It says that can't accept the invite on Discord. Did I answer your question on Trading Tour? What invitation are you talking about, Jose? Marco Rubio's face. Yeah, I don't know if I answered this question correctly. The indicator's name? Which one? The one with the different color candles. That is CVD on chart. C Charlie Victor Delta on chart. The best places to put your stop loss would be the last absorption level for me. That works for me. I don't know about if it would work for everyone else. Green across the board on fundeds and evals today. Good job, Storm. Calling it quits. Can't blame you. Kenneth says it's showing me link expired to join the Discord. It shouldn't be expired. It says I put it up for it not to expire ever. I'll give you a new link though. Yeah, Armand, I just gave you another link here. How much do I decide to risk on each trade? I start with 1 and I scale in if it goes against me. One time at a key level, and then that's it. Sometimes if I know it's a strong move, I'll go in with 3 on an eval. You don't know how to contact me on Discord? You just have to add me as a friend. Look for me on Discord and just request to send me a message. Yeah, I do. Sometimes I take 3. Like if I see a very nice reversal coming in with strong seller divergence, buyer divergence or seller divergence, or seller, a bullish divergence or a bearish divergence. If I see that plus absorption, then I go in heavier on trades. All right. Wow. She's dumping. Whatever Trump said. Whatever Trump said was not nice. Not nice at all. Careful here, guys. Trump's a beast. Yeah, Trump's a beast. Trump's a beast. Guys, I'm going to have to ask you guys for a little grace today. I have to leave early. I have to go take care of some things. I did want to stay here long enough to give you guys a giveaway. Obviously, I wanted to bless you guys with that. So I want to say a quick prayer for all of us, and then I'll see you guys tomorrow. I'll be back tomorrow. Okay. Father God, we thank you for today. We thank you for this opportunity, Father, to provide for our families, Lord. We thank you, Father, for all the blessings we already have in our life, Lord, the food, the roofs over our heads, Father, and everything we take for granted, Lord. Father, I know there's a lot of things in this world that we can't understand and why it happened and why they happen to other people or it happened to us. And we ask you, Father, to give us understanding, Father, and give us peace knowing that you're in charge and you are Lord, Father, and that through you all things are possible. Father, I ask you to forgive us for the person that we've been and the things we've said and the people we've hurt and the sins we've committed, Father. Lord, I ask you this in Jesus' name, Father, and I ask you to help us repent and turn away from those things. Father, I ask you to protect our households and to protect the traders on the stream right now and their family, Lord. I ask you to prevent their family from any sicknesses, diseases, mental illnesses, Father, depression, anxiety, all of it, Father. Any spirits of suicide, Father, we ask you in Jesus' name, Father, to get rid of those things, Father, cast them far away. Lord, we thank you for all of this. In Jesus' name we pray. Amen. I'll see you guys tomorrow, guys. Take care. Take care.